Welcome back to Potted Living, the show where we teach you how to grow all kinds of fruits and vegetables on your balcony or other small garden space. And today I'm going to show you part 2 of my basket strawberry. This is absolutely one of the most productive plants I have ever put up, and the very first big red strawberry. Let me show you for some comparison. Look at how big that strawberry is. I have grown strawberries in the past and they've been quite small, but this one looks to be growing some pretty good full-size strawberries. Now, a very quick tip when you do grow strawberries is you want to make sure they're getting like 8 hours of sun. These things love sun. They are much more productive in the sun, and you want to plant them in a pot that is about double the size, at least, of what you purchased them in. So it gives them plenty of space to grow, and you'll know from my previous video how small this plant started. And just, oh my gosh, look at all of these fruits, flowers, and everything wonderful that's growing on this plant. Now, they don't really need so much a pollinator. They certainly don't need 2 strawberries to grow fruit. Really, almost every flower you're going to see is going to turn into a strawberry. And I'm going to update you again in about a month, and we're probably going to have loads of strawberries come off this. So I'll keep you posted with the basket white strawberry.